All right. Hello, students. Very warm welcome to all of you. How are you all? How is my amazing class? Hi, bacha log. I know that you guys were waiting from 2:30. I totally agree with the same. I am sitting here from 2:15 and looking at all the possibilities. We were facing some issues, that this is lockdown. We can't get help so easily at the right moment of time so that everything will be sorted. So some issues from the Mentimeter side was not able to represent the slides and was contacting to the team and they were helping me out and finally we are set. All right. So it's not that something is done to all of you due to some intention, not at all. We really don't like कि आप लोग wait करते रहो. We really don't like anyone to keep on waiting. All right. So did you get the point? That issues can happen with anyone. So as ma'am, lockdown time क्या करे, help मिलने में time लग जाता है to sort things out. But then also I came live just because of all of you putting all the things aside. All right. Yes, thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone. So, see in the front of the screen the topic ICSE 10th, that is carbon and its compounds. Basically, you all have organic chemistry as one of the important chapter and most scored chapter और जिससे सबसे ज़्यादा marks के questions आते हैं. So this class is like more about introduction to organic chemistry to all of you. Session is going to be very easy. हम क्या करेंगे session में? Whatever the knowledge you have from 7th, 8th, 9th regarding carbon and its compound, we'll ask the question regarding the same. तो session बहुत easy होगा. Why we are taking those questions? ताकि आपका base clear हो जाए and when you start reading organic chemistry in 10th class, you won't face much difficulty क्योंकि you can remind, you can recall all the concept behind all the theories which you are going to do in organic chemistry. ठीक है? Yes. So this is about ICSE 10th organic chemistry and basically about a brief introduction of the chapter कि आपकी previous knowledge को connect करेंगे with the chapter called as organic chemistry in 10th class. So बहुत easy session होगा. I hope all of you are having very high josh and all of you are super duper ready with your chemistry master teacher Anubha Ma'am. Just tell me in the comment box, ma'am, we are super ready. So Menti is there in front of you students and the code right there is 440647. Vedantu 19 channel is already giving you the Menti code in the chat section. You can see it, can copy it. तो जाके Menti खोलो एक side screen में. Menti खोल के क्या करोगे? When you will open the Mentimeter on Google, just apply the code that is 440647. ठीक है? Hey Naman, hey Sanya, Krish, Shobhan, everyone, I hope all of you are absolutely fine and quarantine is not giving that hard time to all of you and you all are safe and happy at your home. Yes, students. Hey Shivansh, Avinash, Mansi, Deep, Vishnu, Vinod, Jay, Gabriel, Nikhil, everyone. So try to join Menti as soon as possible. I can see, yes, that only 89 students has joined. Jaldi se join karo, then we'll start, okay? Yes, jaldi se. Thank you, Vinod. Thank you so much. I'm waiting for all of you to start. All right. Wrong answers se kya hoga? Wrong answers will not give you any marks, but obvious. So don't give wrong answer. That will give you 0 marks. Correct answer, you'll get so many points. बहुत सारा point मिलेगा. All right. It's for ICSE students. The Menti code is 440647. जल्दी से session join करो. Okay. Hey Shivani, Akshara. तो क्या है ये students? This is about ICSE 10th class. Basically introduction of organic chemistry and linking to your 7th, 8th, 9th class knowledge to this chapter or easy session. I know all of you are going to score wonderfully well and we can see your beautiful names in the leaderboard. So shall I start? Hey everyone. Yeah, CBSE students can also join. All are, very welcome to the session. So I'm starting on this happy note right now. Yes, everyone, first question. Okay, let's start. So the question on the screen is the number of neutrons present in C12 isotope of carbon is. Okay, what exactly is the question? C12 is the carbon main isotope. 98.9% carbon is in the form of C12. 12 is representing mass. So the number of neutron in this species, in this element, you know that the general configuration is 6C12, right? 6 is the atomic number, that is number of protons. So what will be mass number? You know that that is 12. Given, you can find out the number of neutrons. All right. Jaldi say, and please hit the like button. I know you faced some waiting time, but I already told you that is due to a reason, and that can happen anytime, right students? हो जाता है कभी कभी due to technical issue we face, है ना? Let's see your response. Thank you so much, Sanya. Thank you, everyone. My best wishes and my all of affection and love towards all my students, because that's what I do and enjoy from the bottom of my heart, like teaching to you all. And I can see so many students got confused in this easy question. Isn't it like this way that my carbon is 6C12, this is sum of neutron and proton, and this is proton. So neutron will be, just decrease the proton number from the sum, that is 6. So answer was A, right students? Yeah. Hello Neil, hello Bacha. Let's see who is on the top in our leaderboard. Wonderful to see that students are still there to boost our happiness also by loving us in that way and giving all the good compliments. Why fear if Anubha Ma'am is here? Gaurav, Mahendra, Albert Einstein, wonderful, Abhishek, Sid, Shavi, Mr. Evil, Pravesh, and Room. Wonderful students. See, with every answer, 1,000 points you can achieve. 1,000 points you can get. Okay? All right. One more question is going to come, students. The question is the property in which elements exist in different physical form is called as. The property in which element is present in different physical form. Do remember it, students. 28th. Well done, Kunal. Well done. Very nice, Cookie. Very nice. Uh, if I talk about carbon also, carbon naturally present in two different physical form. Apart from that, two different physical form. Apart from that also, some artificial forms are also present. Artificial structure can also be generated by carbon. So give me your answer. Yes, students. Super ready. Wonderful, wonderful, Shri. Very easy question. Let's see. I really want all of you to respond as soon as possible. Yes, wonderful. Hey, Bhumika. Hey, beyond the music. What is beyond the music? And I can see my students are still confused a bit. Why so? 194. The concept is called as allotropy. That carbon also has different allotropes, just like graphite, diamond, and one is artificial one also, that is Buckminster fullerene. Even other forms also like carbon black, amorphous carbon, so many other forms also. Generally known to you is graphite and diamond. Different physical form. In diamond, carbon is attached to four other carbon atom in a tetrahedron shape, and in graphite, carbon is attached to three other carbon atom in a hexagonal manner. All right. Yes, everyone. The Menti code is 440647. Wonderful. One more question, students. Be super ready. And the question in front of you, isotopes are the atoms of the same element with the same proton, and what exactly is different? Basically, different electrons, Same neutrons, same electrons and same neutrons, same electrons but different neutrons. I think on your phone everything is clearly visible and you can tell me the answer. Atomic number of carbon is 6, Neil. Easy, easy. Oh, all right. Isotopes is same proton, but what exactly is different so that the same element is having different mass? It's very easy question. Organic chemistry is mainly dealing with living substances, to be very precise, hydrocarbons and its derivative, carbon hydrogen compounds. And inorganic is more about studying minerals, inorganic substance, non-living substances जो हमें मिलते हैं. Okay, students? Wonderful, easy peasy. Yes. तो चलो जल्दी से we'll see your answer on the screen now. And why, students, why only 122 gave me correct answer? Why so many of you got confused? Suppose I'm giving you one example and then we are understanding it. Okay, very easy question, very easy, very easy. क्या question था? If I talk about isotope, suppose I talk these two cases. चलो carbon chemistry पढ़ रहे, we'll take the example of carbon only. Carbon, 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 carbon chemistry. 6C12, 6C13, 6C14, 3 allotrope of carbon. See, this is number of neutron and proton, this is proton. Electron and proton always equal because that is why your atom is neutral. If I talk about number of neutrons in both the cases, here number of neutron is 12 minus 6, 6. Here number of neutron is 13 minus 6, 7. Alright, number of electron and proton will remain same. Due to different number of neutrons, mass will vary. That's what the concept of isotope is. Alright students, yay, easy. Let's see the leaderboard. Let's see it, students, and what do we see? Let's see who is going to be the fastest one. And students, still wifey or Anubha Ma'am is here, is still on the top. Mahendra, Arushi, I'm back. Raj, Parth, Pratishtha, Millie, Yuvi, Kirtana and Lalit. Wonderful students. Doing very great. Very nice students. Very nice. All right. One more question, students. You know the Menti code, right? 440647. The different isotopes of carbon is, somehow I already answered you and you still have full 1 minute to answer this. Let's see how quickly you're going to give answer. This is very, very easy because ma'am already gave answer some 30 seconds ago. Hey VK, hey Kuldeep, good afternoon. Hey Mona Lisa, hey Ravi, Dinesh, Dugu, Ashok or Dugu. And as channel is telling, please hit the like button and appreciate the efforts which we are making from our level best to give you the education, to teach you whatever is possible from our end and sharing our knowledge. All right. Hey Jaga, hey Arun, hey Mansi. I hope all of you are fine. Last some seconds. And the time is going to be... let's see your response. Yes, Joshi? Wonderful. Then who are these students who are giving me answer D? That is C12, C13 and C14. Carbon has basically 3 isotopes. Hello Yash, hello Adamya. Wonderful, wonderful response by all of you. One more question. Yes, Arun, correct. The question is dash is the allotrope of carbon. I already gave you the name of allotrope of carbon also to remind you everything. Just everything is there in front of you. Diamond, graphite, fullerene or all of these. You have 4 options in front of you. बहुत easy है ना? जल्दी से बताओ आजाद क्या होगा आंसर? Focus करो, focus. Diamond, graphite, fullerene, all of these. What happened, Aditi? Try to join, bache. Hello, Neelam. Hello, VK. Correct answer. Prince, very nice students. J, absolutely awesome. All right. Neelam, wonderful. Dhamal ji, wonderful. Yes. Ansh, maybe that 3 came extra. We can avoid it, right? Sometime बड़े बड़े देशों में छोटी छोटी बातें होती रहती है. Yes, so let's see your response. Right now, which says most of you gave me correct answer. Clapping for all of you for giving me correct answers. So happy to see it, students. Very, very nice. All of these. Fullerene is the one which is artificial, made in laboratories by 3 American scientists. Diamond and graphite is given to us by the nature. All right, the leaderboard says who is going to be on the top. And why fear is still on the top? Then Pratishtha, a jump. UV, Mahendra, Millie, Lalit, Nikita, Samuel, Hero, and Ajinkya. Wonderful students, wonderful, wonderful response by all of you. I think now you know you are brushing up your concept which somehow you forgot. Previous class में पढ़ा था but मैम भूल गए थे. So ma'am is there to remind you everything so that you can connect with the chapter called as organic chemistry. The next question is the property of self-linkage of atoms together in series to form long chains is called as. There is a property of the elements that they can link with each other, self-linking property of the elements. Okay, in every series. So in case of carbon, as we are learning about carbon and organic chemistry, carbon is the main constituent. It keeps on repeating itself in a long chain. That might be a straight chain, that might be a chain with all the carbon ends joining to each other, cyclic chain, that might be branch chain, that some of the carbon is representing as a branch with the main stem, main parent chain के कुछ branching में भी carbon हो सकते हैं. So carbon can attach and can make millions of compound possible because of this property of the carbon. Very nice students. What is the answer, Prince? If I'll tell you the answer, then what about our Menti time? Yes, as Vedantu channel is telling, please subscribe to the channel so that you can still be updated with all the sessions, upcoming sessions, and you can be a part of all the amazing quiz sessions we are going to have. Wonderful. The name is catenation. Yes, students, the property name is called as catenation. That was the self-linking property. So one more students, one more question is going to come, students. Hey Shobha, thank you so much. Carbon on complete combustion in presence of oxygen give. So carbon can be present in so many form like methane CH4, which is a gas called as natural gas. Butane C4H10, butane is a gas 4 carbon से बना हुआ that we use in LPG, our liquefied petroleum cylinder. The carbon present in any hydrocarbon or only carbon whenever combust means burn in presence of oxygen will always give that gas. I have already given you the hint, students. Thank you, Nagendra. Thank you so much. Hey, Kushi. Thank you so much. Yes, Saurabh, correct. Carbon monoxide, carbon disulfide, carbon dioxide, or sulfur dioxide. You can see your phone and can see what could be the correct answer and select it. All right. Difference between carbon and carbonate. Carbon is an element. Carbonate is a polyatomic ion called as CO3 minus 2. All right. Yes, students, wonderful response by all of you. The answer is very much clear to all of you that whenever carbon burns in presence of oxygen gives CO2 gas. Even if that is a hydrocarbon, carbon hydrogen ka compound, whenever it burns, carbon will always give CO2, hydrogen will give H2O, that is water vapors, and energy is going to release. All right. Energy is going to release in this process. Exothermic process hoti hai ye. That's why we use carbon compounds as fuels. है ना Anamika? I hope you got it. Thank you, Srinath. I'll be safe. I hope you all will be safe as well. No, Mahir, I'm not ignoring anyone. I'm trying to read all the possible chats, but number of students will be more and can't read all the names. Pratishtha, change the leaderboard now. Then UV, Mahendra, Millie, Lalit, Samuel is the fastest one. Samuel, amazing. Nikita, Hero, Yfair, and Ajinkya. You all are doing very nice with every question. You all are evolving and trying to remember the previous concept. Done. So crown sulfur. Sulfur is having a crown-like shape, one of the allotrope of sulfur. They are asking that what exactly are the number of sulfur attached to that crown sulfur, that is one of the allotrope of sulfur. 6 sulfur, 4 sulfur, 10 sulfur or 8 sulfur. Tell me your response. Yeah, hey Marthala, hey Srinath, hey secret superstar, who are you? Abhinav? Yes, let's see. Prince, this is the 8th question, bache. Aradhya, wonderful. Sora, wonderful. Laptop, who keep the name as laptop? Jai Anubha Ma'am, thank you, ji. Thank you so much. Code is 440647. 440647, okay? Yes, you are giving me correct answer only, and the time is going to end now. Let's see your response. Not that which I am expecting. That is S8. Okay, students. 8 sulfur gives you a crown type of a structure. Let me try to draw for you so that my students can understand. But as I told you, my drawing won't be very nice. But at least I can try for my students. Alright. So this is like this kind of a structure. Make a W and then it's like this. This is like that crown type of a shape, and all the sulfur are there and all the vertices, all the corner. Now count, there are 8 sulfur. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the crown shape allotrope of carbon. Thank you. Ma'am is great. So all are you. Please subscribe the channel. I have drawn, I have drawn for all of you. I hope you're getting it because this is important. Piyush, thank you so much. Thank you, gaming artist. Thank you. Not that good though. The valency and the electronic configuration of carbon is. You need to tell me the valency and configuration of carbon. The atomic number of carbon is 6. I have given you the hint. So find it out. It's very easy. 4 is the valency and 2. 4 is the configuration. 2 is the valency and 2. 4 is the configuration. 2 is the valency and 2 6 is the configuration, or 4 is the valency and 2 6 is the configuration. It's very easy question. What do you guys call it? Easy peasy. But let's see how wonderful your response is going to be. Yes, Shivansh, thank you, thank you. Yes, gaming. Umang series, yeah, definitely going to come, students. Don't worry. Apuji, thank you. We'll see your response. A. Let's see what will be the ratio of the correct answer to given by all of you. Not bad at all, huh, students? Not bad at all. बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हो. 204. Yes, 6 atomic number means 6 proton and 6 electron. So how 6 electrons are arranged? 2 in the first shell, 4 in the next shell. And configuration is 2, 4. Valency is 4. The number of electrons shared by carbon to the other elements to complete its octet. Right, students? Marthala Sridevi, correct? Wonderful. Thank you, Free Fire. Let's see the leaderboard now. Let's see who is the fastest one this time. And we are going to see some change. Aditya jumped its position and Wildfire is still the fastest one. You all can see your names. Wonderful names. Very nice. I'm so happy to see it. Thank you, Sanya. Thank you so much. Google ji, why you remember my birthday every time? It's not there right now. One more question. Carbon forms dash bond with other non-metals. Sharing is caring. So carbon believes in the property called sharing is caring, and it shares its electron with the other elements. So now see what kind of a bonding it is going to show you. All right, one is dative bonding, second is electrovalent bonding, next is covalent bonding, and next is coordinate covalent bonding. Let's see, students. Arey wow, wonderful Aradhya. Very nice, Prakash. Vinod, bonding is basically a force of attraction between two atoms. Teachers and all the chemists will make you fool that this is like a dash line. Suppose this is carbon, carbon, this is dash line. that is bonding in general, but what exactly the dash line that represent the force of attraction and repulsion, uska balancing force between two atoms. Nucleus repel, and electron and nucleus attract each other, so it's more of kind of a balancing force. All right. Yes. Electrovalent, Apu, that is ionic compound. Means one element will give its electron, other will accept it completely. Ionic compound made up of ions, but this is covalent compound because made up of sharing. Co word itself means sharing. So covalent bonding is what carbon shows in organic chemistry. Very much important to know. All right, students. Very nice. You are in sixth and you are able to answer, Prakash. Amazing, super proud. Which of the following is the major constituent of the liquefied petroleum gas? So if you have watched the session with the very starting, I have already given you the answer of this. That LPG has that hydrocarbon, carbon hydrogen compound, and I have given you the name also. Do remember it? It's still there in your memory. Okay, students? I know you know it. So is that methane, ethane, propane or butane? All right. चार ऑप्शन है मीथेन इथेन प्रोपेन ब्यूटेन ट्राई टू रिमेम्बर इट वाह गीत संदीप hey bacha, correct. Some of you are still confused. Don't be confused between natural gas, that is CNG, and petroleum gas, that is LPG, liquefied petroleum gas. I think we are going to get not that great response. Yes, stay safe, bacha log, and please be at home. This quarantine situation won't will go well if you will go out and hang around and hang out with your friends. Not good at all. घर पे रहो, अच्छे से पढ़ाई करो. We are coming every day to help you out in terms of your education, your curriculum, and मस्ती भी करते हैं कुछ time में, है ना? And see, means most of you were not listening to me from the very starting. I told you methane is the natural gas. CNG, compressed natural gas. LPG, liquefied petroleum gas, is 95% butane only. C4H10. 4 means 4 carbon का butane बनता है. Okay, Akshat, now it's fine. It's okay, it's okay. I hope समझ आ रहा है. Yes, students, it's okay, Shivansh. Guys, open the Menti if you haven't joined till yet. The code is 440647 and I'm pretty sure जितने भी students अभी session देख रहे हैं सबने at least that like button they have already clicked. That ma'am, it's okay. चलता रहता है, कभी कभार late हो जाता है. But we are understanding it completely. You are giving all the possible solutions and explanation as well. ताकि हम connect कर पाए 10th की organic chemistry को with all the previous knowledge we have collected. All right, Mahendra ji changed the leaderboard now. Fastest than Millie, Lalit, Ajinkya, Sanjita, Pavitra, Tanmay, Arzu, and Raj and Yuvi. We can see some new names. Means all of you have potential to come here. Wonderful students, wonderful. पूछो मैम क्या पूछे संदीप अभी देखो. All right, मैम जी हाँ जी देखिए. You can't understand Hindi? Okay, I'll speak in English. I thought bilingual Hindi and English people both are there. So, students' question is from which of the following substance pencil lead is formed? So, this is not the pencil though. You know that lead is that sharp thing you put it in the pencil and that gave you that grayish black color. है ना? So, that is a mixture of two things. One is derived from the carbon and one is basically sand. Okay, sand, silica, mitti, mixed with one of the carbon allotrope. What it could be? Charcoal, wood, graphite or lead. Yeah? Yes. Very nice, Arun. Very nice, Anmol, Aditi. Wonderful, Muhammad. Gaming. Yes. Dative bond is not the topic right now. Dative bond is basically one of the type of covalent bond. Okay, students? Covalent bond is made up of basically sharing of electrons. Dative is that kind of a sharing in which one bond will completely give its electron to the other and will be shared by both. Okay, so dative bond is that kind of a covalent bond. Sharing will be done by both but given by only one element. All right, wonderful, my students. Hey Sindhu, how are you? Right, see, then some students I can't understand English very well. Then what ma'am is going to do? Answer is graphite, the allotrope of carbon. Graphite with sand makes the pencil lead. All right, now the question is in graphite. Each carbon atom is attached with how many different carbon atoms? Again, if you were there with very starting with me, I have already told you the basic structure of your diamond and graphite. So it's more of like a base kind of a lecture, base kind of a session, easy question, so that हम आगे की क्लास में थोड़ा सा अपना लेवल इंक्रीज कर पाए बाय क्लियरिंग आवर पेस. तो इजी सेशन है. आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग कि हमें आता है. Carbon atom is attached with dash number of carbon atom. Thank you, Tina. Thank you so much. Oh, Zehra, it's completely fine. It happens. You all can do it. You all are my wonderful and amazing students. All right. You all are wonderful and amazing. And I know you all can do it. अगर गलती नहीं करोगे तो सीखोगे कैसे, है ना? So it's completely okay to make mistakes, because every time we make mistake, we'll try to learn from it. It will be there in our mind so that next time we won't repeat it. And I hope you won't repeat it, right? Yes, so many students are confused with 4. Getting the fact that ma'am carbon valency is 4 means carbon is going to attach with 4 different carbon only. But bacha, that was the structure of graphite. Diamond has a very different kind of a, graphite is having a bit of different kind of a structure. What was that? Every carbon is going to attach with 3 other carbon atom in a hexagonal manner. So these kind of hexagonal rings are going to attach so many these kind of a hexagonal sheets. And if you see it very clearly, it is also going ahead that every carbon here is going to attach with 3 other carbon. So 3. Then you will be like, ma'am, how valency is satisfied? Because one of the carbon is attached with a double bond. So then 4 bonds means bonding is complete, means valency is completely satisfied. All right, let me try to tell you. Suppose this is my carbon, 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 carbon. So what kind of a structure it is going to show you guys? That maybe at this position there is a double bond. So carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bonds still can be made by attaching to 3 carbon. So in case of graphite, 3 carbon is attached. All right. Understood, students? Thank you. Though it's not my birthday. Milan, behave and maintain the discipline of the class. I think you came here to learn new things, not to comment on the appearance of a teacher. Menti quiz students, covalent bond, just like carbon compounds, doesn't conduct electricity in most of the cases, because electricity can be conducted due to free electrons or flow of electrons or flow of ions. And it is covalent bonding, so sharing of electrons are there to satisfy the valency, and then no electron is free, and carbon can't even dissociate to give ions, because non-metals are not dissociating to give you ions with the other non-metal. So conduction of electricity is not possible in covalent compound because no free ions are there, because they are not made up of ions like positive or negative. All right. Yes, students. And CBSE is definitely going to come. Joshi, it's at 5 p.m. Okay. Metals and non-metals, CBSE 10. All right, students. Very nice. Very nice. Hero is the fastest one this time. So happy to see it. So happy, students. Very nice. Very nice. One more question. In diamond, each carbon is attached to dash different carbon atom. Again, अगर पिछले 5 मिनट में मुझे सुना है, if you know what I said in the last 5 minutes, this is going to be super clear and most of you are going to give me correct response for the same. Is it so? Carbon attached with the other carbon atom in a tetrahedron shape, just like that Kohinoor in most of the Hollywood, Bollywood movies, they show you by holding it, है ना? Try to imagine that tetrahedron shape, and give me the answer that one carbon is attached to how many number of carbon atoms in a naturally occurring allotrope of carbon, that is diamond, and very precious though. है ना? Yes, Tashi? No, bacha. Please pay attention. Aradhya, correct. Shrikant, correct. All right. Kohinoor, yes. Hello, hello, G. Yeah. 4, yes. Let's see, smart. Time is up, students. Response is going to come on the screen. And wonderful. 184. Though I was expecting a bit better ratio, because suppose this is the carbon, it attached to other carbon atoms in this kind of a structure. As I told you, more like a tetrahedron, just like a kite kind of a shape. This is one of the glimpse, one of the small, a screenshot I can say of the image of the diamond structure. Thoda sa chota sa part. Every carbon with 4 other carbon atoms. Understood, students? Yeah? No, Praveena, you can do well. I have full trust on you. No, Sukhi, I'm not ignoring you, bacha. Ma'am can't ignore the students. Ma'am always love talking and interacting to all the students. Sometimes it's just I can miss any name. I hope, Kia, your doubt is clear. Wonderful, very nice, bacha log, very, very nice. Vipin became the fastest one and came to the leaderboard again. This is going to decide, final question that is going to decide our final leaderboard and the winner of this quiz. Dash is the hardest substance in the world, one of the natural substance. So it's like one of the hardest means natural substance given by nature but very hard. It's a very, very easy question, and I imagine I am going to get a better response by my students this time. Is it so? Wonderful. Chat box is telling me the same. I'm reading at all your chats on this side by keeping my phone on one of the side of the screen. No, Akshat, I'm not ignoring you. Why you guys keep the ignoring game all the time and birthday game all the time? Yes, Srinath, bad quality of diamonds, definitely. Hey, Mansi, yes, everyone, you all are giving me correct answer. Komal ji, did you submit your response? If you still can't join the Menti, please give your answer in the comment section. I'll definitely going to read it. So let's see your response, students, right now. All right. 258 means most of you gave me correct answer. So happy, students. Diamond is the natural substance given by nature and the hardest natural substance known. This leaderboard will be the final one, which is telling us who became the master of carbon chemistry, and the base is clear on his or her part. So all of you, and as the name suggests, Mahendra, fast and furious, is the one who topped today in today's session with 14,760 points. Everyone, just congratulate Mahendra. Mahendra, you did a super fantastically fantabulous job. As all of you, whoever came to the leaderboard, you all did a great job. And all of you who are watching the session and giving your response and somehow couldn't join the quiz as well. I told you, I believe in appreciating all of you because you're making your efforts, and efforts is the first step to do better in life, as you all are doing. So happy students, so happy कि आप लोगों ने अपना base clear कर लिया. Don't worry, we'll come up with the series called as subjective series, जिसमें हम सारे concept भी clear करेंगे chapter wise. So do follow Vedantu, do follow all the videos, but how? By appreciating it and showing your affection towards all the teacher, by hitting the session of Anubha Ma'am as well, and then like कर दो जल्दी से. Please subscribe to Vedantu channel. बहुत सारा amazing quiz करेंगे, and share it to your friends. They can come and also join with all the quiz and can see and increase their knowledge in this quarantine time. Wonderful, students. So happy to have you all. So please do follow whatever I have said. Do watch all the videos, and I really want all of you to stay safe and happy. On this happy note, I'll meet you again very soon. You will get the schedule on community page of 910 channel. Do follow it. On this happy note, I'll take your leave. I have a session, got to go. Bye bye, students. Thank you so much for being a great students. Okay, being great students. Thank you, everyone. Bye bye.